In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Microsoft Teams in 2025. Whether you prefer a dark mode to ease the strain on your eyes or just fancy a different look, customizing your Teams experience is a breeze. My aim is to guide you through this process step by step, making it straightforward and easy to follow. So first things first, you need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Head over to your Teams application. If you're using a desktop, you can open it directly from your Start menu or your dock if you're on a Mac. Enter your credentials if you're not already logged in, and let's get started. Once you're logged in and ready, keep a lookout for the three dots icon, which is generally visible in the upper right corner of the application. These dots are your gateway to more options. Give it a click. This is where Teams keeps several handy features tucked away that you might not immediately see. Now that you've accessed the additional options, you will want to find and click on Settings. This will open up a new window or pane. In here you'll find a variety of options to customize your Teams experience, from notifications to appearance. Speaking of appearance, that's exactly what we're interested in. So go ahead and click on Appearance within the Settings menu. This section allows you to modify how your Teams interface looks and feels. Within the appearance settings, you're going to want to find the option that says Follow Operating System Theme. By selecting this, your Microsoft Teams will match the theme settings of your device. This is particularly handy if your operating system changes themes automatically based on the time of day, or if you prefer consistency across your apps. However, if you'd like to explicitly set a theme within Teams, regardless of your operating system settings, you can select the dark theme. This is a popular choice because it's easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime or in dimly lit environments. Simply click Dark, and you'll see the interface immediately change to reflect your selection. And there you have it, the flexibility to tailor Microsoft Teams to your visual preferences. Whether it's aligning with your system-wide theme or choosing something specific like dark mode, it's all about what makes your experience the best it can be. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to explore other settings that might enhance your Teams experience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future.